To select stitches, I'm going to get you familiar with some of the areas of the machine and how to get to all the stitches on the top lid of your sewing machine. So with everything that's a touch screen, you can use your finger. Your fingernail will actually be a little bit better than the pad of your finger, but you also have the stylus, which I'll use today. So the sewing menu or stitch menu is this small little top left corner with the straightened zigzag. And when you touch that, you're going to get to where you can enter in the stitch number you're looking for. Now when you look at the top part of your lid, you notice there are 4 rows of stitches. Row 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are kind of your categories or rows. So if you want stitch number, for example, let's just do stitch 8. In row 1, all you need to do is touch stitch 8. Now you'll need to actually touch OK as well. That stitch will come up with all the settings ready to go, which is wonderful. If you want to go ahead and go back to the stitch menu and go to a different row, so for example, if you want a blanket stitch, that's going to be in row 2 and stitch number 12. So then just touch 1, 2 for 12 and touch OK. Going over, you've got row 3 and row 4. So whichever row you need to be in, you'll need to come to the stitch menu button, select and highlight your row, and then enter the stitch number that you are looking for. So if you type in 1, 2, and you really wanted 13, you can also do delete and then touch 13 and touch OK. Now another thing you can do, if you were sewing out, which is something I always recommend, sew out all your decorative stitches so you really know what you have. They look so much prettier sewn out on fabric than they do just on the screen here. So if you're going to go from one stitch to the next stitch and sew the whole collection, you can arrow up or down using these arrow up on the side, and you will get 18, 19, and go all the way through your stitches. So you can sew one and touch, sew one, and then keep on going through all your rows. This will take you anywhere within the same row, and then if you need to jump rows, go ahead and do your stitch menu button, jump to the new row, and then type in the new number. If you type a number that doesn't exist, it's just not going to let you get there. So just go ahead, delete, and touch the number, and touch OK. And there you go.